Hello friends, welcome back. So in the previous class, we have already discussed what is cell, the discovery of cell, then parts of the cell. So today we'll discuss about the other cell organelles. Cell organelles, that is the parts of the cell are the cell constituents that lies within the cytoplasm. In the previous class, we have already discussed that a cell has three parts. Yes, we know that is nucleus, cell membrane, and cytoplasm. So, particularly the cytoplasm consists of a number of organelles, that a number of parts also, and these parts are called as cell organelle. Yes, so the main cell organelles are first plastid. Yes, first one minute. Yes. So the first cell organelle is plastid. Okay. So plastid helps in photosynthesis. Yes. We had also discussed plastid. Yes. Yes. Right. We had already discussed it. Plastid, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Yes. Yes. Right. We have already discussed these three parts. That is plastid, mitochondria, and endoplasmic reticulum. So once again we have to review it. Yes, so plastid is the organelle that helps in photosynthesis. It is only found in the plant cell, not within the animal cell. Yes, then it is of three types, that is chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. So the chloroplast is found in only green leaves or green parts of a plant, and it helps in performing photosynthesis. The next chromoplast, which is the colored colored plastic is it is also called, and it helps in providing different colors to fruits, flowers, etc. Then leucoplast, it is the colorless plastid, and it provide it provides space to store starch. That means it is the site of storage accumulation. Okay, I have already discussed it. Then mitochondria. Mitochondria we have discussed. These are rod shaped or spherical structure, and they are called powerhouse of the cell because they are responsible for cellular respiration, or it is the site of the cellular respiration from which the energy is generated, and also it stores the energy. That's why it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Yes. Okay. The next, endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of membrane, and it acts as a pathway for the transportation of different material like roads, railways. It is also a pathway for our body. Then it is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And these two types of reticulums, endoplasmic reticulum, and this two endoplasmic reticulum has particularly two functions. Yes, like the rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is the site of protein synthesis, or it helps in protein synthesis. Then smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in lipid synthesis. Yes, or fat synthesis. Okay, so these are all about our previous class. Yes, a short review of the previous class. But today we'll discuss the rest, that is Golgi complex, vacuole, ribosome, cilia, and flagella. Yes, so first, yes, so first Golgi complex. What is Golgi complex? Yes, so Golgi complex are they are sac-like structures. Sac means pouch-like structure, like we see pouch, water pouch, milk pouch. So it is a sac-like structure and stacked one above the other. That means they are stacked together. Stacked together means arranged together. That is column, like a column, like a rings, ring-like structure. They form ring-like structure, and they are involved in the processing and packaging of materials produced by the cell. Also, in our daily lives, we know that pouch pouches are generally used for packaging purpose, like I have told, like water pouch, then oil pouch, milk pouch. These pouches have the function to package things. Yes or no? So, like these, the Golgi complex are also like pouch. They help in packaging food materials, food materials, the nutrients, minerals. Yes, then this is the function of Golgi complex. It is enough. It is only for the purpose of packaging. Okay. Then the next is vacuole. So vacuole it appears as an empty space in the cytoplasm. So it is actually not empty, but it looks like an empty place or empty space. It is actually a thin layered structure. That's why it look like empty. It is generally large in plant cell. It lies both in plant cell and animal cell. But in the plant cell, its size is rather weak than the animal cell. It stores excess of water and waste product. Okay. So our body have particular excretory system that means waste materials are removed through particular pores or openings. Yes, like stool, urine, then sweat. They have particular openings or particular holes. But in case of land, they have no separate system, no particular system for the excretion of waste material, for the rejection of waste material. That's why these vacuoles, these vacuoles help them in packaging or excreting this waste material. Yes, they collect the waste material and they eject them through the leaves, through the outer covering. Yes, then in amoeba, in amoeba, food materials are held in its food vacuole for digestion. You know, in case of amoeba, it poses two type of vacuoles. One is food vacuole and another is water vacuole. The food vacuole helps in digestion, while the water vacuole contained or hold water. Yes, but in case of animals, these vacuoles have generally no work or no function. Generally no function, but sometimes they work. Yes, they have a major role in the plant cells. Or in case of one single celled organism or unicellular organism. Yes, the next ribosome. So these are tiny granules present in the cytoplasm and on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Yes, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why they are called as rough? Because they look like their appearance looks like rough. Why? Due to the presence of these ribosomes. Due to the presence of these ribosomes, they looked rough. If you think of a soap which is which contains some sand particles upon its surface. Yes, a soap which contains some sand particles upon its surface like this. So how it would like or how it will be seen? It will be seen rough, definitely. So like this, due to the presence of ribosome, the endoplasmic reticulum looks rough. That's why it is named as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough ER. Yes. And these ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis actually. They help in protein synthesis. Here look. They help in protein synthesis. Granule granule means ring like structure. Then cilia and flagella. Some cells have these small extension on their cell membrane. They help in locomotion and collection of food. So we have hands and legs. Trees have roots, branches, but in case of microorganisms, they have locomotory organ like cilia and flagella. Yes, by the help of cilia and flagella, they can move from one place to another. Also, they collect their food. So these are the locomotory organ. They have two functions. They help in locomotion as well as in collecting food. Unicellular organisms like Paramecium have numerous cilia. Paramecium have numerous cilia, while Euglena has a single flagellum. Okay, cilia and flagella. Why these are two terms? Because they have same function, but their appearance is a little bit different. Not completely different, but a little bit different. Yes, uh, one is a little shorter and another is a little larger in size, but they have same structure and same function also, but their size differs only a little bit, not it vary greatly, but a little bit difference in size. Okay, here look, this is flagellum and these are cilia. Yes, flagellum is larger, but cilia is a small structure, little structure. All these cell organelles work together to perform different functions of the cell. Yes, these cell organelles work together, not in a single unit. Yes. Next, levels of organization in an organism. Levels of organization. Okay. So first, we have learned that cell is the smallest part of the body of an organism. Then some cells, some similar type of cells, they unite together and forms tissue. A tissue is nothing, but it is a combination of cells. Combination of cells performing same function and same uh, structure. Yes, cell. Suppose this is one cell, this is another cell, this is another cell, like this. Some cells they stick together, combine together to form a single tissue. This is tissue, which is combination of cells. Yes. Then some tissue they combine to form organ. Suppose consider your hand. Your hand is made up of a number of cells. First, it is made up of skin, then muscle, then it also includes bone. So, bone is a tissue, skin is another tissue, then muscle is another tissue. How they formed? They also formed out of cells. They are also combination of cells. Suppose if we consider bone, bone is the combination of bone cells. Yes. Then muscle is the muscle tissue is combination of muscle cells. Then skin is also the combination of, it is also one type of muscle, skin. This is also called epidermis. Okay. So particularly uh, particularly in the hand, three type of tissues are present, and these three types of tissues they are made up of three types of cells. The bone cell combines together to form the bone tissue. Then the muscle cell they combine together to form the muscle tissue. Then the bone tissue and the muscle tissue and the epidermis, that is skin, they these three type of tissues they combine with each other to form our hand. Yes. So finally hand is the output, or it is known as organ. Yes. Then hand is one organ, our leg is one organ, our belly, our head. So like this form organ system. Organ system, suppose your hand, your finger, your nail. Yes, they have also some joints. So this is organ system. So like this, some organ systems, leg is another organ system, hand is another organ system, head, because head have hair on it. So these organ systems combine together to form the organism. Here we consider as example with the human body. Yes, here we take the example of human body. So finally, the organism is the human. Yes, this is the level of organization. How the body of an organism is organized from cell up to the full body, total body. Yes, then comparison between plant and animal cell. Yes, plant and animal they have different structure, different functions. They looks different. Therefore, their cells are also different. They have different structures. So here it is a clear picture of plant cell and animal cell. Look, the animal cell have a nucleus in its center. The plant cell also have a nucleus. Then the animal cell have chloroplast. Sorry, plant cell have chloroplast, but animal cell doesn't have. Then Golgi complex it is present both in plant cell and animal cell. Then endoplasmic reticulum present here also here. It is a raw endoplasmic reticulum. See, it looks like rough due to the presence of ribosome. It looks like smooth due to the absence of ribosome. Yes, here also rough, smooth. The nucleus, here nucleus is present, here also nucleus is present. Then mitochondria. Mitochondria, here mitochondria is present. Just a minute. Mitochondria, here also mitochondria is present. Then cell membrane, here also cell membrane present, here also cell membrane present, the inner one. Then vacuole, here present, this one, here also present, this one. But the difference is that in the plant cell, it is large. It is large. But in the animal cell, it is small. Yes. And here you can see cell wall. Cell wall is only present in the plant cell. This one, this layer. This is the cell wall. But it is absent in the animal cell. Here is no cell wall in the animal cell. Yes. Then the difference is tabulated here. Tabulated here. Component or characteristic on the basis of component or characteristic. It is the informations and the differences are tabulated here. First, on the basis of shape. On the basis of shape, plant cell has fixed shape, but animal cell has irregular or non-fixed shape. Normally, plant cells have rectangular shape. That is a fixed shape, one type of fixed. But in case of animal, they they are always irregular, maybe circular, maybe oval. Yes. Then cell wall present in plant cell, but it is absent in the animal cell. Plastid present in the plant cell, but animal cell it is absent. Vacuole, one large vacuole is present. Vacuoles are either absent or are present only a small vacuole. Here we saw them. We saw them here. Yes. We saw them here. This is the small vacuole, but this is the large vacuole in plant cell. Yes. Okay. So this chapter is over, and now we have completed all the concept about cell, and the more explanations are in the hair class. So for this time it is over. Okay, till then we'll come with next video with another topic, and till then keep patience and keep studying. Okay, please comment on which topic we have to prepare our next video, so that it will be easy for us to prepare the next clip. Okay, till then bye and take care.